let's talk about this amazing setup on AMD stock on the daily time frame. In this video, I want to go in very in-depth on my perspective and what I am looking at. We got a lot to go over, the price target, the stop loss, and all of that, and I want to go over in this video. So let's get started at what I am looking at for AMD. We're taking a look at the daily time frame, and the main factor that I'm seeing is that we have been trading sideways since January 18th. So we are setting up for this move where we have been trading sideways for almost a month now. And as you guys know, this is the bread and butter. When we are trading sideways, we are setting up for a momentum play, a breakout. And especially when we are getting tight like this for AMD. So let's take a look at a closer picture. Okay, these charts do not lie. Okay, this price action right here is absolutely beautiful. Now the first thing, we have this descending triangle, we have this level of support 164. A lot of people actually played the average down on AMD, playing calls off the level of support, so congratulations on Discord. I did average down on AMD at the level of support. And then I have one contract that I bought in, around the high. So I'm sitting around break even for my AMD position. But we have this amazing setup that I want to go over. Okay. We played the bounce off the level of support, and then we have this level of resistance. So you're probably thinking, okay, isn't descending triangle a bearish setup? Yes, only if we break this to the downside. So we are only bearish if we start breaking this level of support. And actually, this is going to be a great put play, because this can actually be a great put play to the downside if we start breaking to the downside. Now, the reason that I'm not playing puts right now and instead playing calls is because the overall trend is to the upside. If we take a look at the bigger trend, the overall trend is to the upside, especially with Nvidia, SPY, QQQ. So that is my thought process. But yes, we can play puts if we start breaking the 164 level for AMD. So that is going to be our stop loss for AMD below 164 for our calls, because below that we are bearish. Now this is going to be our breakout area, which is going to be around 173. Now, the number one thing that I'm loving about this play is how tight we are getting for AMD. So we could see that every day that passes by, we get tighter and tighter, and it is only a matter of time before AMD actually breaks out. So we have this setup, which looks absolutely amazing. I got it on the small account challenge. But we can see that it is only a matter of time. We just need time. So I did grab February 16th expiration, but I think I'm going to extend my contract longer, because I feel like we need a little bit more time. It's getting more and more tight, and the tighter it gets, it's going to squeeze. Okay, this play is going to be absolutely incredible. So this is going to be our breakout area. Okay, if we are above this downtrend level at market open, this is going to be the confirmation. A close above on the daily time frame above our resistance is going to be the confirmation to the upside for AMD. Now our price target is going to be 178 is going to be the first price target, and the second price target is going to be 184. So I'm going to color these yellow. So this is what I am taking a look at for AMD. Very simple, very basic. Now I want to go over to the options profit calculator. So I'm taking a look at the contract. This is going to be a multiple swing play, okay, multiple week swing play. If you played the calls at the level of support, you could have day traded that. If the market is red tomorrow, we can play the calls at the support also for AMD again. But I'm taking a look at a multiple week swing. So I'm taking a look at March 1st, and let's do around a 171. Let's do 172 strike price. And let's put the calculator on. My main price target is going to be 184. So let's go over what we can expect for our gains. So our conservative price target is 178. That is going to be potentially depending upon when we hit this level, around a 35%, 42%, whenever we hit that level. And keep in mind that's only like a 4% gain, so it'll probably take 2 days. And then the main price target is 184, and that at expiration is 50%, and then 70% depending upon whenever we hit that. So there's only going to be a matter of time before AMD breaks out, and my only concern is the expiration and actually timing it. So it is better if we trade sideways, and then it breaks out, and then you can enter in, once it's fully starting to squeeze. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, my analysis on AMD. I'll keep you guys updated on the Discord, and see you guys tomorrow in the Discord. Take care.